Hello, I'm Marie from DocSense. Today we're going to explain how to set up a print price. Prices use a grid of numerical values made up of specific costs defined by an organisation in order to assess the actual cost of printing or to charge users for this cost. When defined for assessment, the price must be based on real cost, and if defined for billing, the price can contain real cost plus a margin. Prices will enable you to collect statistics on your printing costs and savings. There are two types of prices: simple and complex. The simple price can be made up of the cost of the monochrome printing, the cost of colour printing, and the cost of paper. The complex price, on the other hand, is made up of the basic cost, the type of media, such as the ratio of duplex printing, and a tiered pricing system. First of all, you need to select your currency unit. To do this, go to the Advanced Configuration tab in the Watchdog Administration interface. Click on Currency Settings and select the unit and number of decimal places of your choice. Now let's move on to creating your prices. To do this, click on the Pricings tab in the Administration area. When creating a simple price list, it's important to give it a name so it can be easily identified. To select the right cost for monochrome and colour printing, and also to give the cost according to the paper format. To create a complex price, it is also possible to include the cost per operation, choose the type of media, and even configure pricing by range if required. To affiliate your price, click on the Printing Queues, Queue Groups and Pools tab and select the queue you want. Then go to the Pricing tab to configure the cost per page. All that's left to do is enter the rate that you want. For fixed costs, only simple prices will appear. Do you want to add a complex price to your file? These will only be available when calculating quota prices. If you want to display printing costs on the WES to raise awareness amongst your staff, simply go to your WES profile in the Pull Print section and select Costs from the Display Options drop-down list. Once you've started printing, you can go to your multifunction device and release your document. The cost of printing will then appear on the right-hand side of the screen. In the Reports tab, you can get an overview of the pages printed over a given period. By going to the Statistics tab, you can collect a wide range of data, including the prices for all the print queues. In this video, you've heard us talk about complex pricing. This subject will be covered again in a video on configuring print quotas. To make sure you don't miss any of our videos, don't hesitate to subscribe. For more information, visit our documentation website, doc.docsense.com.